Hello, my dear little friends. This question is related to data handling. The question says the value of smiley, heart, sun, and star respectively are, and then you are given four options accompanied by a group of figures like this, table of figures to be particular. Now, from this table, you have to find out the value of these basic figures. By observing this figure, you need to understand that this number 350 is basically the sum of smiley, heart, sun, and star. So horizontally the value of these particular figures are added, like your heart plus star plus sun is equal to 340. Similarly for 350, and vertically again these are added. Smiley plus heart plus sun is 240, heart plus star is 250, and so on. For such type of question, please try to understand that you should not go for directly solving these problems by writing equations, but the best thing to do is to try out the option, try the given options, because many students may get bogged down by just by looking into such questions. They may get frightened, so you try out the options one by one and figure out the correct option. So we will do the same thing over here, that we will try out the option and we will find out the right answer by process of elimination. That is, while trying out the option, we will eliminate the wrong option. First of all, let us try out option A, and please remember, for this type of question you should be able to carry out calculations very fast, so you need little bit of practice for that. So for option A, let us try out option A. For option A, the value of smiley is 80, the value of heart given is 70, then you see it's 100, and then star is also 100. So let us try out the very first. You need not to calculate each and every, because as you proceed towards calculation, you will be able to eliminate the option. Let us try out. This is smiley. 80 plus 70 is 150. 150 plus 100 is 250. 250 plus 100 is 350. So you see that option A fits rightly into the first row. Let us check whether it fits into the first column or not. The value of heart is 70 and the value of sun is 100. So 80 plus 70 is 150. 80 plus 70 is 150. 150 plus 100 is 250. But here it is given 240. So the first option does not match correctly for the first column. So we can basically eliminate this option A without going forward. So I just cancel out this option A. This option A is not the right option. So now we can rub this and try out the next option, that is option B. For option B, the value of smiley is 90, 60, 90, 100 and 10. So now let us carry out the addition of these. So option A is not the right answer. Option B, let us carry out the addition. 90 plus 60 plus 90 plus 110. So we can easily carry out this. 90 plus 60 is 150, 150, 90 plus 100 is 200. So it's 350. So the first row correctly matches. So we can proceed further. 90 plus 60, then the sun is again 90. Now let us carry out the addition vertically. 90 plus 60 is 150, 150 plus 90 is 240. So this correctly matches. So we can proceed further to check out option B. The value of heart is 60. Again the value of heart is 60. The value of star is 110. 110. So 60 plus 60, 120. 120 plus 110 is 120 plus 110 is 230. So this is equal to 230, which is not equal to 250. So again we can cancel out option B. Option B is again not the right answer. So why I am adding this vertically? because there are three numbers which is easier to add than to add horizontally where there are four numbers to add. So such type of small things you can think of to make your calculations easier. Anyway, let me rub this off and check out option number C. So option B is not the right answer. Now let us check option number C. Option number C given is 80, 80, 80, 110. So 8, 80, 80, 8 3s are 240, 240 plus 110 is 350. Again, this is very correct for the first row. Let us carry out calculations for the first column. 80 plus 80 plus the value of sun is 8. 8 3s are 24. This is 240. Okay, this also matches correctly. Let us check out for the second. 80 plus 80 plus 110. 80 plus 80 is 160. 160 plus 110. 160. 160 plus 110 is equal to 270, which is perfectly not equal to 250, which is given over here. So we can comfortably cancel out option C also. Option C is not the right answer. Let me again rub this out. During the exam, you should be very fast doing this calculation. For the sake of simplicity and for understanding, I am doing this slowly. During exam, you need not to rub but to proceed fast. Use your pencil and be accurate. Let us try out option D. As because we have eliminated A, B and C, we are remained with option D only. So option D obviously should be the right answer. Let us check that. This is 80, 70, 90, 110. 80 plus 70 is 150. 150 plus 90 is, let us do it over here. 80 plus 70 plus 90 plus 110. 90 plus 110 is 200. 80 plus 70 is 150. 150 plus 200 is 350. This also matches correctly. For the first row, here it's 70 and this is 90. So 80 plus 70 is 150. 150 plus 90 is 240. Very good, this matches. Now 70 plus 70 plus the value of star is 110. 70 plus 70 is 140. 140 plus 110, 250. This also matches. Value of star is 110. Value of smiley is 80. So 90 plus 110 is 200. This is 280. At this juncture, you need not to carry out calculation further. You can right away tick option D, but for the sake of completeness, I am doing this all for you. Sun is 90, the value of 70, 100 plus 110 plus 90, 200, this is equal to 270. So we have checked everything vertically. Yes, these matches correctly vertically. Let us check out this. 70 plus 70 is 140. 140 plus 110 plus 90 is 200. 200 and 150 is 340. This matches correctly. Similarly, for the last row, 110 plus 90 is 200. 200 plus 80 plus 70 is 150, which is again 350. So option D is the right answer. Option D is the right answer. This correctly matches for all the rows and columns. So the most important thing you learned from this particular lesson is that for such type of data handling, please try out the options and find out the right answer by process of eliminating the wrong ones instead of getting frightened by such type of questions. Keep practicing. Best of luck to all of you.